I wanted to show you this awesome straightener and crimper that I had gotten from Amazon. It is a 4-in-1. Now, before I go ahead and turn it on, my hair is kind of unruly all the time. I wanted it for the straightener primarily, but we'll use the crimping option sometimes. Now, I wanted to show you how to go ahead and use this product. It comes with straightening ceramic plates that are in there right now. It also comes with 3 different sizes of crimping plates that are really easy to go ahead and switch to use it for whatever you need it, whatever hairstyle you desire with the crimper. I'm going to show you how easy these are to replace. All you do is take it from the base and you pull up. These sides come off and it's really easy to pop out the plates. And all you do is slide another in and replace the front. Now I'm going to show you the straightening options because my hair is kind of going frizzy today with the weather. And I'm just going to do an easy going straight view. Let me go ahead and take my ceramic plate here, and you just take it on the groove and slide it in. Make sure it's in there. And it holds really well, so you gotta use a little bit of force to take it off. At first I wasn't sure what I was doing, but it's easy. You just pull it off. It does have some options like this really nice hanging. So when it's hot, you can go ahead and hang it on the wall, the loop. Really easy to use. It has, oops, sorry about the light, a button right here. You just hit. Power lights at the top, and these are the different heat settings on it. Now it's only going to take a second to heat up, and I'm going to show you how quickly and easily you can do this and change the frizz and stuff at the moment. I'm going to just go ahead and separate this a little bit here, but yeah. It also comes with a very nice glove, styling glove to keep yourself from getting burnt while you're doing all this. I'm just going to go ahead and take a piece right here and show you. Now this, I haven't really even given it time to heat up. And then all I got to do take a swipe. Let me take another piece here. Take a real fast other swipe down. Let me just do the front here to show you. down for a second. Give it a quick brush. And look right here at the difference. No flyaway, soft and straight as silk in just moments. So this product is very easy to use and I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching. Bye.